So when my babies were diagnosed with celiac disease, we just thought, okay, we've heard of gluten before, but we always thought it was a fad. We had no idea that there was an autoimmune disease that the only treatment is just to avoid gluten, 100%. So being on Thrive Market, I was able to see what products are healthy and have clean ingredients. I'm Roxanne. I'm a Thrive Gives member.
And a busy mom.
Oh, you're so amazing. Thank you for reminding me. I'm Roxanne. I'm a Thrive Gives member, and I'm a busy mom. When I was starting to sign up, I saw that Thrive Market had an application for Thrive Gives for veterans. I was in the Army for almost 10 years. I had 2 jobs. I was a transportation management coordinator, and then my favorite was a chaplain assistant because I love helping people.
She is the best mom ever. I'm not saying it because she's my daughter.
I've always been super open with my girls. I had to discuss them not being able to eat certain things by basically just saying, hey, if you eat this, it's gonna make you sick. So when I became a Thrive Market member, it alleviated a lot of stress.
Ordering everything from home, whether it be on the app or on the website, just made everything a lot easier.
Ooh, that's a good choice.
And it saves us a lot of time and money, of course.
Babies, I have a surprise for you. Hi. Are you ready to see? They actually help me open up every single box and they help me put away the food, but they have to look at every item and see what it is that Mama ordered this time. Which one's your favorite snack?
That one.
Which one?
My favorite snack is this one.
This one?
I'm eating candy.
How did I learn to cook? If you want, you can pan the camera not that way. Baby, didn't you say that you wanted some sopa? You want some caldito?
Sopa.
Sopa, yes. I love to make traditional dishes too. Like, I'm Puerto Rican, so I've learned how to make all that food safe for the girls because I don't want them to miss out on anything having to do with culture. I would definitely recommend Thrive Market to anyone who wants to be on a healthier journey, and especially to those that have any dietary restrictions, because there's literally something there for everyone.
Yeah.